How to create a Gmail account without phone number. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can just create a Gmail account without entering our phone number. So first of all, just open up your Gmail and just click on settings, and in settings you can see that there's an option for add account. Click on that, and from over here just choose Google, and from over here just select create account, and you have to just enter your name over here and then your surname, which is optional, and then you have to just enter your date of birth over here, and then you have to just enter your gender and then click on next, and you have to just over here select an email address. Over here just I'm going to pick up on, click on next, and here you have to just create a password, and that's all. You can see over here you can just skip or just click on yes I'm in, and in this way you can create an email without using a phone number. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.